The mischievous talking parrot. Timmy loved pets, but his parents would not let him have a dog or a cat. So, on his birthday, his uncle got him something unexpected, a bright green parrot named Pickles. There is something special about Pickles, his uncle said with a wink. Timmy soon found out what Pickles could talk, but not just any talking. Pickles was the world's biggest prankster. One morning, as Timmy's mom was looking for her phone, Pickles shouted, "Mom, it's in the fridge." "What? Why would it be there?" she muttered. But when she opened the fridge, no phone. Pickles laughed. "Good job." Another time, when Timmy's dad was getting ready for work, Pickles yelled, "Your socks are on backyard." Dad looked down, confused. Socks don't even have a backyard. Timmy looked Pickles, but one day Pickles went too far. He shouted, "There is a spider on your head." Timmy screamed and ran in circles, waving his arm like a windmill. But there was no spider, just Pickles laughing his feather off. "That's it, Pickles. No more pranks," Timmy said, trying to be serious. Pickles fluffed his feathers and nodded. "Okay, okay, no more pranks." The next morning, as Timmy walked downstairs, Pickles whispered, "Timmy, your shoelaces are untied." Timmy rolled his eyes. "Nice try, Pickles. I am wearing slippers." Pickles winked. "Ha, but was worth a shot." From then on, Pickles stuck to funny jokes instead of pranks, and Timmy never had a boring day again.